Hi guys, Albayan ng Batay nyo at nagbabalik tayo para sa panibagong video reaction. At ngayon, itong video reaction natin ang second part ng SB19 story series na ginawa ni Sir Casual Chuck. At yung link ng original video ay ilalagay ko sa description sa baba para kung gusto nyong manood ng walang post at walang commentary na galing sa akin. So, yun. Wag na nating patagalin pa at syempre, wag nyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe kay Sir Chuck, kay Sir Casual Chuck. Ilalagay ko din yung kanyang link sa baba at syempre, subscribe na rin kayo sa akin, Albayan ng Batayan nyo, pati na rin sa Facebook page kung hindi naman kayo busy. So, yun. Wag na nating patagalin pa. Simulan natin. Part 2, SB19 series. Let's go.
Video is only based on my personal research. I might miss some details and it's possible to have discrepancies, but I did my best to get as much accurate information as possible, so enjoy. Just a quick correction to episode 1. Josh didn't only recruit Ken, but also Justin. Josh told Justin about the workshop, which gave him the opportunity to become a Show BT trainee. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into the video.
Yun kasi yung sinasabi ko madalas na hindi kasi nakikita ng tao yung hirap, yung sakripisyo, yung pagod. Ang nakikita lang ng mga tao, surface level na akala okay sila, pero yun, ang bilis nila mag-judge without knowing na yung pinakamalalim na story behind that success, no? So, yeah. Kumbaga masabi natin, yan na yung human nature eh.
And that makes everything worth it.
몬테로 씨, 검사 결과가 나왔습니다.
임신인가요?
아니요, 임신은 아닙니다.
Then why do I feel weak lately?
Mrs. Montero, you are HIV positive.
Addie Hong. She could have easily become a popular celebrity in the Philippines. Back in Korea, she was a well-established theater actress, a vocal, dance, and beauty coach, a one-woman show. But instead, she chose to use her experience to guide and nurture the boys to reach their highest potential. Along with Tatang Robin, she was
Okay, siya yung coach ng mga boys.
also one of the main reasons why SB19 is where they are now. She is popularly known as Miss Hongganda, and we will see her often in this video.
Hongganda, okay.
Before SB19's debut, they tried to establish an online presence. So on May 16, 2018, they created their Facebook page. This could possibly be the unofficial date they were formed.
May 16, 2018.
They started posting song covers like these.
Send me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through, yeah. I hope he buys you flowers.
Man. Ganda ng boses. Soothing.
I hope he holds your hand.
And dance covers like these.
Lean with it, down with it, hit them folk now stab with it. Nay, then you stop.
Yan yung ito nga yung time na maraming sumikat na mga ganyan, mga cover song, dance cover.
They became more active in social media while maintaining their regular performances in small events.
Nice.
They did this until it was almost time for their debut.
We have good news for you guys. Kasi after the very, very long wait, finally, yes, finally, we will be releasing our debut single entitled Tila Luha!
October 26, 2018, SB19 finally debuted with their ballad single called Tila Luha.
Okay, so 2018, susunod, magkakaroon ako ng video reaction. Tingnan ko.
Did you know that it wasn't the only song that they had at the time? They also had Love Goes, but they chose to debut with Tila Luha to capture the hearts of the Filipino people because the
Tila
lyrics
Luha.
are in Tagalog.
Yes.
They then started promoting their debut song in every way they could think of. November 17, 2018 marked SB19's first ever live stream to promote their debut single.
Magsimula natin ang first SB Talent Camp Facebook Live. Paso!
Ganyan po yun.
3! Let's wait for 10 na lang. 10 viewers.
Despite the very few
Alam mo yung heartbreaking din yung ganyan no? Parang binigay mo sa yung lahat ng ano mo. Tapos parang, 3 tao manonood, 5.
viewers, they went all out to entertain them.
여러분, 저는 너무 배고파요.
Pero tingnan mo yung si sino nga ba? Tatay Ruben ba yun?
Height is already good.
Parang sobrang ano niya din yung SB19 no? Love na love niya din yung mga boys.
Dumating na rin ang oras na aking pinakahihintay. Matagal-tagal na rin nagsalay. Sige lang, sige, hano pa na para bang wala pang angabang na darama. Bigay mo na, machine gun, ratatatatatatatata.
Still. Nagpa-cute lang. Walang ginawa.
Ladies and gentlemen, among the SB19 is a chic member.
Ken. Whoa!
Yup, they did all that in front of just a little over 10 views.
What? Man, imagine that yung time na yan, no? Parang siguro ngayon sobrang magla-live ka ba ng 10 viewers lang, tutuloy mo ba yung show mo for 10 viewers? Pero man, 'di ba?
You can still watch the whole live stream to this day on their official Facebook page. They also
What?
perform in schools, malls, nursing homes, and even orphanages, but their debut only received a lukewarm reception. The stream count didn't move as fast as they have hoped for.
Man.
Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. But their grind continued. After the disappointing debut, they started preparing for a comeback.
Today, nandito kami sa recording studio. Nagre-record kami ng kanta namin. Ito mismo yung parang kwento ng SB19.
Yung lyrics mismo ng song namin is about pangarap ng SB19, kung paano nagsimula yung lahat.
So after nung medyo failure, sabi natin siguro hindi masyadong maayos yung reception ng SB yung ng Pilipino or ng mga tao sa kanila sa Pilipinas kasi una 'di ba nag-training sila sa Makati sa SB Philippines. So after that doon sila na nabuo tapos nagkaroon sila ng mga show pero hindi sila kumbaga hindi pumatok sa masa. So ang ginawa parang lumipad sila sa Korea siguro to take a risk na rin siguro para kung may chance sila sa Korea. Kung wala sa Pilipinas, baka sa Korea meron. So, nandito
Ito po
sila.
talaga yung kantang gugulat sa lahat.
They collaborated with a critically acclaimed Korean producer, Oh Woon Lee, who's behind the success of TVXQ and Stray Kids. Pablo, with the help of the boys, wrote the song as they began to enter.
Pablo, yes.
the Go Up
Again,
era.
Go Up.
They started practicing
So, nakita ko sa, sabi ni Mrs. Si Go Up yung nag-start na mag-boom yung ano nila.
their Go Up dance routine, which was intricately choreographed by Stell and Ken. They were required to practice 30 times daily until
30 times daily? ...30 times daily. Imagine
they
mo.
reach 1,000 reps.
What? 1,000? Imagine mo. Imagine mo yan.
And boy, they did it.
Wow.
They were even challenged to perform the dance routine at double speed. Yep, that was not even in fast forward. Now that they have reached the quota, it was time for them to shoot the music video. July 19, 2019. SB19
So, after a year, isang ano,
dropped their Go Up music video. Expectations were higher because this was the song that showcased their singing, dancing, and songwriting skills. But for some reason, it has also met a lukewarm reception. They then started promoting the song using the methods they know. They even reacted to their own music video.
Eto yun eh.
But none of their efforts made a significant impact. After that, you would
Imagine nyo yun eh. Imagine mo yung behind that smile, behind that laughter, pero may sakit silang naram kasi hindi sila yung inaano ng tao.
think that it was the biggest setback. But not until August 17, 2019. This was when the Go Up press conference happened. This was supposed to be an effort for them to establish a presence in the media world. They were interviewed by professional journalists, but instead of receiving a warm welcome, most of what they got was straight up disrespect.
Pero kanina pa ako bothered. Ano ba yan, Stel? Ano ba yung ayos mo yan? Talagang style yan o ano?
Ano kaya yung kinakain ng mga journalist na to or media na to na bakit parang napaka-easy lang sa kanila na i-disrespect yung isang tao? Ano yung meron sa kanila? Anong meron sa inyo na parang may pass kayo para magtanong ng mga yan, kaya niyan. Disrespectful naman talaga yan. Is parang, bakit hindi mo nalang sabihin na ang pangit ng buhok mo, ang pangit ng style mo? Is parang, dinaan mo pa sa ganyang patanongin. No? Anong pass na mayroon kayo, di ba? Di ba? Kita mo sa mukha ni Sel na parang, paano niya sasagutin yun, di ba? Di ba, oh?
Yung Stella.
Yung style ko po ba or yung make ko? Kasi
Di ba, makikita mo sa kay Stel yung mukha niya yung confusion na parang kailangan ko bang sagutin kasi parang syempre
clear ko po, yung name ko po, Stel, kasi po galing po siya, yung full name ko po is Stel Bester po. Ako, Stel Bester po.
Maraming.
Opo, kasi po yung mama ko po, idol niya po si Sylvester Stallone, kaya doon niya po pinasa yung name ko po.
Oo.
Tapos po, yung style ko naman po ngayon, actually po, hindi ko po alam eh. Kumbaga, kung ano lang po yung naisip ko, ito yung suot ko, sige, ganito na nga naging buhok ko, parang ganito po, yun na lang po yung inaisip ko. Pero wala po.
So lahat kayo straight.
Opo.
bakit laging na i-incorporate yung mga pop group, boy band pop group na bakit kailangan mo pang itanong yon, di ba?
Pero,
May gulot po.
may sabi ko, ako lang, kung sakali mo po talaga ako, wala naman po masama doon.
Hindi ba siguro
Yeah. I like that answer, no? Kung lahat ba kayo straight. Yeah. Yan, sige, Stel. Ano mo?
Malalaman ko na po yung Estel. Kasi po, madalas po siya kasi mas matagal na po kami magkaibigan. Close din po kasi siya madalas sa mga babae. So siguro po, baka po akalain niyo medyo weird po yung
Kasi kung may up siya ngayon, no, parang bakla talaga.
Alam mo kung sino dito yung bakla? Ikaw.
Ay. Bali po, Esther sa umaga, Esther sa gabi. Hindi, joke lang. Pero yun nga po, ganun lang po siguro, parang medyo meron lang po siyang ibang parang manners na girly, pero hindi po, wala pong ganun sa
Is na-clear na kanina about sa bading issue. Kasi sabi nyo kanina may mga pa-holding hands at saka yakap.
You're not bothered by the fact that you sound like a kid. Hindi kayo
They sound but they have a different style. May own style sila.
nakakaalar nun sa tunog nyo na hindi kayo Pilipino.
Bro, anong sinasabi mong hindi sila tunog Pilipino ay nagtatagalog? Are you not bothered that you don't sound like a Filipino? But a Korean, hello, kanta nila Tagalog. Nagsasalita sila ng Pilipino, kumakanta sila ng Pilipino, sasabihin mo Korean, they don't sound like a Filipino. What?
Hindi ko iyan.
Hindi po kami nababasa.
Man!
Kasi po,
Itong episode na to, medyo tumataas yung aking presyon.
Kasi ako bothered ako.
Why? Bakit ka mababothered sa hindi naman dapat mabothered?
Pero magaling.
Takina ko.
Despite all the judgment, they handled the interview professionally. As the event concluded, the boys broke down to tears backstage and comforted each other. Perhaps they're just human beings and the thick skin they develop
See, di ba? Kahit sino, kahit ako, siguro kung ako sa katayo ni Sel, baka, ano mo?
all throughout those years can only take so much punishment, especially when it went straight to their hearts. They all broke down.
Shit.
This made them question themselves if they were still doing the right thing. It casted so much doubt that it made them all decide to call it quits. Everyone
Man,
left.
imagine that, after ng sakripisyo nila, pagpapakahirap, malayo sa pamilya, tapos sa isang interview lang, mababasag yung kanilang, anong tawag mo doon, yung motivation nila, mababasag yung motivation nila dahil lang sa mga tanong ng mga walang kakwenta-kwentang media na to.
Except Stel. He received the most hate, but he was the one left standing. Perhaps he was a good example of someone who has entered the zone. Someone who managed to tap into the altered state of consciousness where time disappears and he becomes so focused that not even judgment could stop him from doing what he loves. But he knew for a fact that he can never do it alone. And there he was, alone. But only for a moment. Josh had a realization to not give up because people have not seen everything yet.
Yan ang totoong kaibigan na kahit anong down sa tropa mo, sa kaibigan mo, kahit sino pa man yan, tapos may isa kang kaibigan na handang tol, hindi ka pwedeng magmukmok, andito ako, dadamayan kita, kasama mo ako sa laban. So, yeah.
This prompted the other members to return and witness their lives change in just one fateful day when their Go Up dance practice got uploaded on YouTube on September 2, 2019. It quickly went viral, which opened a lot.
So, this is a Filipino boy group called SB19. They are under a Philippine branch of a Korean company called Show BT. The producer of Korean but the lyrics are in Tagalog written by the members, but I didn't feel any cringe at all. Their dance is also great.
Out of doors for SB19
4.4 million views.
to have TV guestings and live performances.
May group hug? Okay. Sige. Oo, dyan lang kayo.
Ang galing namin!
Introduce yourself. Get in the zone, break! Hi, we are SB19! My name is Mike Spice Kita. I am the wittiest in ABS-CBN.
As the world started to notice them, their YouTube channel grew exponentially.
Nice.
Their dance practice video reached 1 million views in just a week, then 2
Wow.
million a month later.
Nice.
Wait a minute. Who's Arum? November 2, 2019.
So for the final announcement of the fandom name, 3, 2, 1.
18. Okay, so that is where the fandom name came from. 18. Yeah.
What's mean? 18. What's mean?
Why 18?
Una-una sa lahat, pag pinakita ko siya, 18 siya, di ba?
Okay, 18.
18. So kasi kami, SB19, 18, 19.
Yeah, napaka. Chef's kiss. Genius. Genius na yun. Imagine nyo yung kung gaano ka-proud yung ito si tatay. No?
So if there's no 18, then also there's no SB19.
Yes. Kasi
I see. 18.
Siyempre, 18 muna bago natin. 17, 18, 19. Pag walang 18, hindi makakarating sa 19.
Yeah, makes sense.
So, if you're going to read this 18, it could also be read as atin. So, all the
18 hours.
success, all the lahat ng natatamo natin ngayon, atin to ours. Everything is ours. Hindi lang sa amin, kundi sa inyo rin. Atin. Everyone. Atin.
Kumbaga, represent Filipino
Kumbaga, yung
Atin,
dreams
yeah.
natin, pangarap, problems, everything, we will share together. Atin yan, lalaban tayo, kaya natin yan lahat. Lastly, gusto talaga namin special mention yung Orum sa lahat-lahat. Kasi sa
Orum.
totoo lang, talagang sila yung unang sumuporta sa amin nung hindi pa nila, wala pang
Yung Orum, yung nag-upload ng YouTube.
Kaya
Ano yung nag-upload sa YouTube?
Orum. Orum and SB.
Okay.
Proud
na proud yan, ah.
Sa lahat sa fandom name na nagawa po ng grupo namin. And katulad nga po, 18, atin, sama-sama tayong aangat. We will go up.
Atin.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is when 18 was born. So what does it mean to be in the zone? Was it really only Stell that entered it? If you think about it, even before the other members decided to quit, they were already done with the dance practice. That alone made the press conference irrelevant.
Yeah, wasted. Inin nyo!
It didn't even matter that it happened. It turned out that actually all of them have always been in the zone.
Okay.
Being in the zone is what allowed them to defy all the odds. It was the zone that allowed a 5-foot man in the NBA. It was the zone that allowed a man living in the streets to rise up and become.
Ito yung zone kasi nanonood ako ng anime na Kuroko Basketball. So, yung zone na yun is parang nakapokus ka lang sa isang scenario na pakiramdam mo ikaw lang mag-isa diyan. Nasa isang parang may sarili kang mundo, yung sarili kang dimension, and then ang focus mo lang yung isang goal na yon. So, yun yung zone na tinatawag.
Become billionaire. It was the zone that took an idea from someone's head to the moon. It was the zone that won wars, and lack of it had lost. It is the zone that separates their ideas and dreams from a materialistic reality. Manny, Efren, Catriona,
Yes.
SB19. What do they have in common?
The zone. Nice. Maganda. Yun, so dito na nagtatapos ang video. So, again, napakaganda ng pagkakabuo ni Sir Casual Chuck ng video, ng episode to na to. Yeah, emotional. Pero yung emotional ko, galit doon sa mga taong nagda-down sa SB19 nung nag-start pa lang sila. So, yeah, kuwang-kuha mo yung inis ko kung sino ka man. Kung sino ka man, yan, diyan ka na lang. So, yun, again, ilalagay ko yung original link ng video sa baba para kung ayaw nyo nang may commentary or post na ginagawa ko. So, yun, panoorin nyo na lang. And then, syempre, again, shout out kay Sir Casual Chuck suportahan nyo po yung kanyang channel